friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will be solving quadratic equations by quadratic formula. First of all, the quadratic equation is given by ax square plus bx plus c, where a is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x and c is constant term. And coefficient of x square, that is a, is never equal to 0. Then d is equal to discriminant is given by b square minus 4ac. If d is greater than 0, it will be real and distinct roots. If d is equal to 0, it will be real and equal roots. If d less than 0, it will be real roots does not exist. X is equal to minus b plus minus root d by 2a. This is quadratic formula. Now the first question is 4x square minus 4ax plus a square minus b square. First of all, compare it with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is given by 4, b is coefficient of x, that is minus 4a, and c is given by a square minus b square. Now find d, that is b square minus 4ac. Substitute the value of b, minus 4a, a 4, c is a square minus b square. Minus 4 square 16, 4 into 4 16 into a square, 16a square, minus and minus converted to plus, 16b square. Cancel out 16b square, 4b whole square. Now here it is the star point or the trick. If b is minus 4a, then definitely you are going to get the 4b. Just substitute a by b. D is definitely going to come 4b whole square. If here it is b, then a will be coming here. Now apply formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus root d by twice of a. Substitute value of b, 4a, plus minus value of d, that is 4b whole square, twice of a. The value of a is 4. X is equal to 4a plus minus under root and square cancel out each other, 4b by 8. Take 4 common, a plus minus b by 8, 4 2s. So the answer is x is equal to a plus b by 2 and a minus b by 2. This is your answer. Now second question is this. First of all, compare the value of a is 4, the value of b is 4b, and the constant term c is given by minus a square plus b square. Without even solving, we can definitely get d is, if it is b here, then we are going to get a. This is the trick of these questions. If it is 4b, then d is going to come 4a whole square. Now we will calculate it. D is given by discriminant b square minus 4ac. Now substitute the values. The value of c is minus a square plus b square. 16b square plus 16a square minus 16b square. Cancel out. It is 16a square, that is 4a whole square. Same. Now substitute these values in quadratic formula. The value of b is 4b plus minus under root d, 4a whole square by twice into a. Under root and square cancel out each other. Now take 4 common, cancel out, 4 2s are 8, 1 take plus, then minus. These are your answers. Now third question is this. First of all, write the values of A, that is 9, the value of B minus 6A square, the value of C is A4 minus B4. Without solving by trick, we can get the value of D is, substitute A by B. Substitute A by B. Now we will solve it. D is given by B square minus 4AC. Substitute values. Minus 4A, A power 4 minus B power 4. Minus 6 square 36. 2 into 2 4. Minus 36 A4 minus and minus plus 36 B4. Cancel out. It is 36 B4, that is 6 B square whole square. Same values. X is equal to minus B plus minus root D by twice of A. Substitute values. Minus and minus 6A square plus minus under root D 6B square whole square. Twice of A, the value of A is 9. Minus minus converted to plus. Square and under root cancel out each other. Take 6 common. 6, 3 cancel. So the values are A square plus B square by 3. A square minus B square by 3. Answer. Now on comparing values, the value of A is 4, the value of B is minus 4A square. Constant C is given by A4 minus B4. Then by trick the value of D will be, substitute A by B, 4B square whole square. Now calculate discriminant. D is given by B square minus 4AC. The value of B is minus 4A square whole square. A4, the value of C, A4 minus B4. 16 A4 minus 16 A4 plus 16 B4. Cancel out. 4B square whole square. Same values. Now substitute the values in the quadratic formula. The value of B is minus 4A square plus minus and minus converted to plus. Under root and square cancel out each other. Take 4 common. Once take plus and then minus. These are the answers. Now fifth question is, first of all write the values of A, B and C. Here the trick is as such, if it is plus then the answer is going to come 9A minus B whole square. If it is plus, the value of D will be minus. Now let's solve it. B square minus 4AC. Now substitute the values. The value of A 9 and the value of C twice A square plus 5AB plus twice B square. 9 square 81, A plus B whole square. 4 into 9 36. 81 a plus b whole square, apply identity, a square plus b square plus twice ab. 36 into 2, 72. 36 into 5, 180. 36 into 2, 72. 81 a square plus 81 b square plus 162 ab minus 72 a square minus 180 ab minus 72 b square. 81 a square minus 72 a square, 9 a square, 9 b square minus 80 ab. Take 9 common, a square plus b square minus twice of ab. So the value of d is a minus b whole square. So if it is plus, the answer is going to come a minus b whole square. Now substitute the values in the quadratic formula, minus b plus minus root d by twice of a. Minus 9 a plus b plus minus under root minus and minus plus minus under root of 9 is 3. Square and root cancel out each other. 2 into 9, 18. Take 3 common. 3a plus b plus minus a minus b by 18. 3 cancel out 6. Once take plus and then minus 3a plus 3b plus a minus b by 6, 3a plus 3b minus a plus b by 6, 3a plus a 4a, 3b minus b that will be 2b, 3a minus a twice of a, 3b plus b 4b. Take 2 common, twice of a plus b by 6, 2 common, a plus 2b by 6, now cancel, 2 3, 2 3 6. So the values of x are 2a plus b by 3, a plus 2b by 3, answer. Now try these questions and answer them in the comment section given below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe my channel and share videos with your friends. Bye bye.